Population crazy packed. I love the tea because the tea's my boy, Pluto. And here we go. Entering the world of Toons. Right in front of Mickey Mouse's house, which is also a meet and greet. So this area of artificial turf. And this is where they had the original fountain. And I gotta tell you, I miss it. I really like that fountain. But now it's just kind of a sitting area. They do have the other new fountain in front of the El Capitan, but I think they should have kept both. What do you guys think? We got Minnie Mouse's house right here. Donald Duck's house right there. Goofy's house right here. And I gotta tell you, my favorite? This one, because it's, you know, the colors of Pluto. And Pluto is by far my favorite. This area is kind of new, this whole playground area for the kids. I think that's a really, really good idea that they added that. I think I'm a little too big of a kid to go on that though. There we go, the Good Boy Market. Love Pluto. Here outside of Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, this is another area where they used to have a fountain right here that they just replaced with artificial turf. Disney, why are you removing all the pretty fountains? This was the original ride here in Toontown. Still a fun one. Let's see, what's the wait on this? 40 minutes for Roger Rabbit. All right, the verdict is we're doing Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. Here we go. Right. Here we go.
Just going to push down the lap bar for you whenever you're ready. We're going to push right back up.
All right, who's driving? Are you driving?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You know how to drive a cab? Oh, I hope so. Here we go.
Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there!
I'll get away from this point that dick boys one side.
Whoa! 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 Whoa, who's driving this thing?
Hey! You're coming!
Oh no, dip!
Whoa, thank you.
The end. Whoa. Again? Whoa. What'd you think of that?
Good, but I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? I thought you were driving.
Well, it was crazy.
It was crazy. I ended up driving. All right. Beep, beep. I literally cannot remember the last time I went on that ride. It has been so long. The kids don't even know the movie Roger Rabbit because it came out so long ago, which makes me feel even older. But, you know, 40-minute wait, we only waited like 25 minutes. So, good times. We've officially rode every ride in Toontown. If you had as much of a magical day as I did, do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel. Click on that bell notification icon and give it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Lots more to come. 2 whole weeks in Walt Disney World, a whole week at the Riviera, another week at the Grand Floridian, and a whole week on board the brand new Disney Treasure. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you had a magical, magical evening. And I will see you on the next adventure. Take care of yourselves and, of course, each other. Peace.